Hello dear friends, in this video we will learn how to make a profit with only one indicator. Using a single indicator can often sound like an unsafe shape to traders. In fact, on the contrary, the fewer and more effective indicators on the graph, the higher the success rate. Darvas Box strategy is a technical analysis method developed by Nicholas Darvas. The strategy is used to analyze the movements of stock prices and is designed to give trading signals. The basic principle of the strategy is to buy when the stock's price rises significantly and then forms a box for higher prices, and to sell when the stock's price drops and forms a box for lower prices. In the strategy we will learn in this video, we will use the indicator you see of the successful editor Kevonch Ozbilgic, who has written many indicators for TradingView. The main advantage of this indicator is that it makes it easier to close profitably, which was difficult with the original Darvas strategy. Firstly, let's add this indicator on our chart and then fix parameters. If we're ready, let's jump right into an example of a long position. All I ask is that you subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Thank you. Trading rule for long position. Rule 1. The green candle should close above the Darvas upper line. Rule 2. The stop loss level should be below the green candle that closes above the white line. Rule 3. Trading is opened with the close of this candle. Target is twice the minimum stop loss level. If the price enters a new Darvas line before it reaches the double profit level, it is necessary to take 50% profit and move the stop loss level to the trading entry point, so you can continue risk-free for higher profit targets. If the price enters a new Darvas line before it reaches the double profit position example, it is necessary to take 50% the green candle and move the stop loss level to the trading entry point, so you can continue risk-free for higher profit targets. The stop loss level should be below the green candle that closes above the white line. If the price enters a new Darvas line before it reaches the double profit level, it is necessary to take 50% profit and move the stop loss level to the trading entry point, so you can continue risk-free for higher profit targets. Now, let's take a look short position example. Rule 1. The red candle should close below the Darvas black line. Rule 2. The stop loss level must be above the trigger red candle. The target profit rate should be at least twice the stop loss level. Now, let's quickly take another short position example. Rule 1. The red candle should close below the Darvas black line. Rule 2. The stop loss level must be above the trigger red candle.
Hit the target.
Dear friends, today I tried to teach you a very simple strategy that have been used only one indicator, in which I make it significant profits. This strategy is not a strategy that I created myself, but although it is a classic method, it is also frequently used by professional traders. As I mentioned in every video, I want to repeat it. No strategy can achieve 100% success in every trade. That's why I'm showing you the strategies I've profited the most out of many of the tactics I've used myself over the years. If you are a new trader, instead of putting capital directly into the financial markets, first open a demo account and experience all the strategies you have learned. Once you have determined which strategy is easier to implement and you make more profit, never hesitate to any stock market because now you know very well how to make money. Please do not forget, the first rule of winning is to stick to the strategy you have determined and not to open a trade before all the trading rules are formed. The biggest gain is the money in your pocket. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and be notified of the next videos instantly. Also, if you click the like button, it will be a morale booster for me and it will make you feel that I have benefited you. Please write the topics that you do not understand about the strategy in the comment section. I will gladly try to answer as soon as possible. See you again.